Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of not connected, no connections are available in Windows 10. So if you go to the taskbar and if you see this message not connected, no connections are available, and if you are not able to connect to your internet, then there are 5-6 methods that you can try out to fix this issue. So the first method is just go to the search bar and type device manager. Yeah, just click on the search result device manager. Click on yes. Now under network adapters, just select the wireless driver. In my case, it is Intel Dual Band Wireless AC3168. In your system, the name may be different, but it will have this wireless written in its name. So just select it, right click over it, and click on the option Enable Device if it is showing in your system. So just click on it, Enable Device. And you can see that it has fixed my issue and I am now connected to the internet. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Again go to that wireless driver, select it, right click over it, and this time click on the option Update Driver. Just click on this first option, Search automatically for drivers. So it is saying that the best driver for your device are already installed. Just click on the close button. After this, just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 2. If this method also didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Go to the search bar and type CMD. Right click over this search result command prompt and click on the option Run as Administrator. Click on yes. Now you have to type some commands. I will give these commands in the video description, you can copy it from there. So the first command is netsh int ip reset, and after this just hit enter. Now type another command netsh winsock reset. After this just hit enter. Now just type exit and hit enter. After this just restart your system and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If method number 3 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 4. Go to this network icon, right click over it and click on the option Troubleshoot Problems. So it will automatically detect the problems in your system and fix them. Now just select this option All Network Adapters. After this just click on the next button. So in my case it is not showing any type of issue because in my case the internet is working fine. So just go ahead and click on the next button if it is showing in your system. I will click on this cancel button. So this was the 4th method. If this method also didn't work for you, then just click on the Wi-Fi icon or the network icon in the taskbar and just make sure that this airplane mode should be turned off like it is now. So if in your system it is like this, turned on, and it is showing in blue color, so what you have to do is just click on this airplane mode once to turn it off, and the Wi-Fi will automatically get on. and it will start showing all the networks in your system. So this was method number 5. The last method, that is the 6th method that you can try out, is just go to your router and just turn it off and then just wait for few seconds and again turn it back on, and then come back to your laptop and check whether your internet issue is resolved or not. So these were the 6 methods that you can try out to fix the issue of not connected, no connections are available in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.